guys, and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Shiv. Hello, if you're coming back then welcome. So in today's video I am filming this makeup look for you right here, which is like a soft pastel-y spring kind of vibe makeup look. I wanted to play with some pastels today, but I wanted to do some bright look, a bright look is what I meant to say. There we go. But yeah, this is what I came up with. I really like it. I think it's very soft, but obviously very eye-catching because it is using bright colours. If you want to see how I created this makeup look, then please carry on watching. Before you do, please give the video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the world, pretty please. If you have already, thank you so much. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you like this makeup look and kind of what videos you want to see from me on my channel. Makeup wise, I'm very into my makeup videos. Occasionally I'll do a haul video. I'm just trying to save my money. But yeah, let me know what makeup videos you would like to see. I'd be interested to know. And let's just carry on with the tutorial. Okay, so we are back to a white background again. I rearranged my whole room to get like a new feel to my videos, again a bit more cleaner and crisper. I decided that I didn't want all my makeup stuff in the background. I don't know why, I just feel like it will look crisper, especially like on my Instagram feed and everything. So yeah, basically I thought I had this down to a T, and I was like, yeah, like the camera will go above the makeup, but you could see all my makeup in the background. The majority of my stuff is literally just around me on the floor. So after I film this video, I'm going to a meeting, and then when I get back and after I've done some editing, I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with all this makeup, because I need to be able to just sit down and film. I've literally like cleared my whole desk and put it on the floor. But you know what, we're trying something new, something crisper. How do we feel about it? So let's just carry on with the tutorial. So I don't have a lot of time left to get ready, just because I've had to move everything off my desk to, you know, get into the clean, crisp, white vibe. So today I'm doing a soft pastel makeup look, and I'm going to be using this palette here, which used to be one of my old favourites. I used to use this all the time, and it's a Sleek Makeup Ultra Matte version 1 palette, and it has all these amazing shades in it right here. I love it. I'm holding upside down so don't blind you with the mirror, but I'm going to be focusing on like some pastel shades like this pink, this baby blue, maybe a little bit of the yellow. I think I'll do like a three colour look. Yeah, no, I'm going to start with the yellow, then the pink, then the blue. I'm basically going to do like a traffic light eye, and I've seen one of my friends do this at work recently and it looked so nice, and it said she literally took it, like she said that it literally took her a few minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and just see what happens. So the first brush that I'll be taking is my Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush, and the first shade that I'll be going into is the yellow right here. Okay, and then with this shade I'm literally just going to wiggle it up and down all in that kind of inner section of the eye. You can build up as you go along, but I want this to kind of be like a soft look but still bright, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Like it's not going to have any crisp cut creases or anything like that. It's just something that I want to chuck on, but I can play with colour a little bit. So I'm just blending that above the crease as well. And don't forget to pop that under the lower lash line as well. Just before I filmed this video and pressed record, I had a really itchy eyebrow and I just smudged all my eyebrows. So I'm sorry if that one looks terrible, I just forgot I had eyebrows on. I always do them off camera just because I think it's a little bit boring to watch, but I use the Urban Decay Brow Blade in the shade Brunette Betty, and then the Makeup Revolution concealer just to prime the lids. Then I'm going to go in with my Primark 230 blending brush, and I'm going to take this soft pastel pink shade right here in the middle of the eye. I'm just going to apply that right down at the centre of the lid, and then blending that into the middle. Even though this is a pastel look, I don't feel like that's intense enough, so I'm going to take this pink right here. I'm just going to layer that on top of the baby pink. That's better. Even though this is like a slightly like hotter pink, this still has the pastel vibes that I wanted to, and then blending in with the yellow, it gives like little orange vibe going on. I don't know why I keep saying vibe so much recently, it's really annoying me. Like, you know when you keep saying a word so much and you're like, when did I ever start saying that? And I can't stop. But I'm just blending this through the middle of the eye. I like the way this looks actually. Then I'm going to go in with this gorgeous baby blue shade right here, and I'm taking this on my Primark 220 blending brush. I'm just going to do the exact same as I did with the other shades and just put this on the outer corner, just tapping that on slightly and just building it up as I go along. I feel like this look is so like simple, but I really like it. It's just nice and soft, but with the colour. I feel like you could do like pretty much any colour combo. Obviously when you blend together, it's going to create the colour in between. Like here it looks a little bit purpley, a little bit orangey there, but I really like it. I really like it. Then I'm just going to work back through the colours, so adding more yellow. And then adding more pink. I just realised I've forgotten the lower lash line, so I'm just going to add the blue to start off with, because it's the brush that I have in my hand. Bring that at 3/4 across my lower lash line, and then taking the pink in the middle. This look kind of reminds me of like candy floss. I'm just going to take a teeny tiny little bit of this white shade just to blend along that top edge just a little bit. I'm not too fussed about it being like really diffused, I just want a little bit of a blend. So I'm just going to tap off the excess and then just ever so slightly blend above all of the colours, just on the brow bone with the white. I'm not putting any shimmer on. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes. These are the Superdrug Rose Gold eyelash curlers. I'm just going to put them over my lashes and give them a little squeeze. I'm not going to put any liner on for this look, I just want it to be like really soft. I'm going to have big lashes, but I'm not going to put any like black liner on or anything like that. For mascara, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Unlimited mascara, just lovely and like bendy and fun. I'm just going to pop some of this on my lashes. For lashes, I'm going to go with these ones. These ones are from Eyelure and they are the Exaggerate number 141 lashes. They're super wispy and like big, I guess. They're not really thick, but they're big. You'll see what I mean when I pop them on, but I'm going to pop these on off camera and I'll be right back in a jiffy. So lashes are now on and we are nice and fluttery. Now it's time to move on to the face. I'm going to go through this fairly quick because this look is mainly about the eyes. So first I'm going to take my Revolution Caffeine Energizing Essence Spray. I love this. It's so nice. It proper wakes your skin up. I'm going to put this on before my makeup just to give my skin a little boost. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a shake and spray it all over. So good. And I'm just going to fan that dry with my hands. Then for my primer, I'm going to take my YSL Touche Éclat Blur Primer and just massage this into the skin. Then for foundation, I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Ivory and bounce this into the skin using my Beauty Blender, which I have already dampened. Drawing up pictures of blue skies. For cream contour, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Mink Stick to Flawless Foundation Stick and just contour in my usual places, so under my cheekbones, around my temples, under my chin and down my nose. A little bit under my lip as well, just to make it look poutier. Then I'm just going to blend it into the skin using my Smashbox Cream Cheek brush, just in little wiggling motions. My light keeps flickering and I'm scared I'm going to blow up. I'm going to blow up? I'm scared it's going to blow up on my face. We should be okay. For concealer, I'm going to take my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C4. And I'm just going to start by putting this in the middle of my forehead, just to kind of like brighten the area up. A little bit between the brows, down the nose, like a little exclamation point, and then of course under the eyes and just like an upside down triangle just to really brighten the area, especially with such like a bright eye. I want a bright under eye to match. And then on my chin. And then of course I'm going to blend it into the skin using my damp beauty blender, just in dabbing motions. Then I'm going to set all of this into place using my Revolution Matte Base Powder in the shade P4. I'm just going to stamp this into the skin to make sure it's locked into place. Now I'm going to contour, and I'm going to take this one right here, which I believe is called Havana, from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Light Contour Kit, which as you can tell is very well loved. And I'm going to take that on my BH Cosmetics No. 3 Studio Pro contour brush, and I'm going to put this in the exact same places that I put the cream contour. Then I'm going to bronze the face using my Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sun Glow and my Fancy Co bronzing brush. I'm just going to bronze in the outer kind of 3 section, like 1, 2, 3, kind of like that, and a little bit across my nose. For blush, I'm going to take my Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso and just pop this on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to set all this into place using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. For highlight, I'm going to take my Laura Geller highlight in the shade Gilded Honey. I'm just going to pop this on the tops of my cheekbones. A little bit kind of like above the brows. A little bit on the end of my nose, down the centre of my nose, and above my lip. For my lower lashes, I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, just because the other one's fallen on the floor and I can't be bothered to go and pick it up because it's all the way over there. So I'm just going to pop this on my lower lashes. Then I'm just going to put some brow gel through my brows. This is the Maybelline Brow Drama in the shade Medium Brown. For lips, I'm going to go in with MAC Spice Lip Liner. Then for the lip colour, I'm going to take this lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Crush. Just like a kind of like muted pink colour. And this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and that you like this kind of makeup vibe. It looks really like intense, but it's actually so easy to recreate. You could definitely experiment with different colours, just obviously bear in mind when you blend one colour and the other colour is going to blend together. So that's why I've got like the orangey here and like the purple kind of here, but I really like it as per usual. But I hope you like my new like clean, crisp vibe to my videos. I'm just trying to play around a little bit and have some fun. But if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. As always, it means the absolute world if you haven't already. If you have already, thank you so much, it means the world. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. So let's just carry on with the tutorial. Then I'm gonna go Then I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous. For my lashes, I'm gonna take these ones from For my lashes, I'm going to take these ones from Eyelure. They are why can't I talk? Then I'm going to set all of this into place using my Revolution Matte Base Powder in the pick it up. So I'm just going to, oh my god, no I'm not, what the fuck? Ugh. Okay, we are putting that straight in the bin. Every time.